She thought she could bulldoze my land into her HOA until flashing lights turned her power trip into handcuffs. It started at dawn. The sound wasn't birds or wind or cattle. It was engines. I walked outside, coffee in hand, and nearly dropped the mug. A bulldozer, a real one, was grinding through my front pasture, flattening the fence line. And standing proudly beside it was Karen, HOA clipboard in hand, directing the operator like a construction manager. "What the hell are you doing on my land?" I shouted. She turned with that fake, self-satisfied smile. "We're expanding the HOA boundary. Your ranch violates zoning standards. We're fixing that." I laughed, though my jaw was tight. "You're about to violate something else, the law." I pulled out my phone, live streaming the scene. The comments exploded. "She's insane. That's criminal damage." Karen waved her hand. "Go ahead. The HOA approves this." The deputy didn't. Minutes later, sirens screamed down the dirt road. 2 sheriff trucks skidded to a halt, dust cloud billowing. The deputy stepped out slow, one with his hand resting casually on his belt. "Ma'am," the lead deputy said, "you can't just bulldoze someone's property. Step away from the vehicle." Karen scoffed. "I have HOA authority." He smirked. "You have nothing. This ranch is county land, not HOA territory. You're under arrest for trespassing and destruction of private property." The bulldozer operator shut the engine off immediately. Karen's confidence cracked. "No, wait, this is a misunderstanding. I was told—" He snapped the cuffs, reading her rights as the crowd of neighbors gathered, filming. I just leaned on my gate, watching it unfold. "Karen," I said quietly, "if you wanted to expand something, maybe try your knowledge of property law next time." She screamed as they loaded her into the cruiser, mascara streaking, dust swirling around the patrol lights. And the bulldozer? It sat motionless, half in my field, half in shame.
I am Liam, and trust me, the next HOA story is even worse. Subscribe now.